alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak. Alhamdulillah, we are gathering here only for awareness. This is our way of work, that we are always should be proactive. To act before any incident, to act before we have the bad consequences of any work activity. Almost the majority of incidents at projects are from the work-related issues, work permits. So what is it about? What is work permit? If you are requesting for a work permit, it's not only for authorizing the work, rather than to have the risk assessment for this kind of activity, to identify what are the hazard risks that we can identify, find mitigations to avoid such things. If you look at electrocutions incidents that are related, the cause of poor LOTO procedure, poor risk assessment, that is related to permit to work. If a proper safe work permit being done, we would avoid that accident. Same as with the falling fences, cave-in, that are related to risk assessment. That is one of the major parts